What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I'm going to talk a little bit about how I would market a restaurant, a bar and grill, a cafe, that sort of thing, using social media and digital ads, specifically Meta. We're talking specifically Facebook and Instagram. So here I am on Canva, and I've already got a pre-built file. The file name that we're going to be talking about is Food Feature Pro, black background. I build these files specifically for different industries, different markets, as a starting point, a jump-off point to market businesses that I typically work with. I'm a career digital advertiser, e-commerce manager, e-commerce developer. I've been doing this for 14 years now, so it's always best to have tools in the toolbox ready to go instead of having to create everything from scratch. And this is one of mine that I would typically be would be one of my go-tos when working with, bars, grills, restaurants, cafes, that sort of thing. This file contains 32 social media sized images. These are square images with text and macro high definition photography. The photography on these really turned out well. Super clear with a little bit of bokeh around the edges. It looks like something you would see on a commercial from a bigger brand, right? So these are all pretty much set up to be like templates, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. If you would like to purchase this file, I do have it for purchase. Essentially what you're going to get is you're going to get a square JPEG of each image as it is in the file, and you're also going to get a link to the template that you can edit. And the template is going to be just like this. You need a Canva account, just like mine. Once you have a Canva account, you'll be able to click on that link, go directly to this template, and edit it however you want to fit your brand's look and feel, to fit your color preferences. I'm just selected the background there. The background's black, but as you can see, it's set up to where I can jump between any and all different colors. I can do solid colors. That sort of thing. The text is editable. In case I want to change the text, I can even change the fonts. As you can see, as I'm cruising through Canva, anything with a crown requires Canva Pro, which is your paid subscription for Canva. I work in this every day, so I have the paid subscription. But anything without a crown, you'll be able to use and have access to through the free version of Canva. And there's plenty of stuff here, right? But yeah, I can change the fonts so I can be more on brand. I can also add like logos. Here's one I recently used, just like a bang clip art, but that could be your company logo. That could be a call to action. Buy one, get one. Size it down. Change the color. Blue. I tried to turn it red. But you see what I'm talking about. You can put your own logo in there. Anything you want, really, to showcase this before you, number one, schedule it out as posts on your social media account. So I've got my Meta Business Suite up here. As you can see, I've got my monthly schedule out. 32 days in a month. Or I'm sorry, there's 31 days in a month, sometimes 30, sometimes less. I've got 32 assets here in this file that you could use. So you could do a chicken salad wrap on Wednesdays, and Saturday wings, and Monday chicken Alfredo, Tuesday chicken fingers, and you could fill your schedule up with these posts specifically tailored for your business all throughout the week, month, and the year. change them ever so slightly, change the deal, change the promotion, and save yourself a boatload of time and effort and money in the process. So yeah, I would highly recommend looking for templates when you're doing your marketing. There's plenty of templates available. I have a bunch available on 404tradeco.com, but there are hundreds of other websites out there that also have Canva templates that help you get a better starting point than starting from just scratch, right? Because that's where it gets time consuming and difficult to deal with. Take a look at some of these other templates. This is the lemon pepper wings. God, those look good. Grilled cheese sandwich. Burger specials. And tacos. But yeah, thanks for checking out the video. That's a quick just overview strategy of how I would market a restaurant or cafe, bar and grill, that sort of thing. Get a bank of media, tailor that media specific for the brand by adding in the logo or a promotional call to action. Get it on brand as far as the text you want to use and the colors you want to use. And then come on over here to your Meta Business Suite and schedule out your whole month. Meta will allow you to schedule out to 30 days in advance. So yeah, keep that schedule packed, and you'd be surprised at how many more people you would reach over a 30-day time frame as opposed to just posting every now and then in a picture from your kitchen or front of the house. So thanks for checking out the video. I hope it's been informative. Again, you can pick up this file on 404tradeco.com. Check out the link below. Y'all take care.